To the Big Make workshops. My name is Hannah Pickett and I am a dance artist, dance teacher and choreographer based here in Milton Keynes. Today we are going to be doing a movement workshop about being a hero. We're going to do a warm-up and learn a superhero movement phrase, and then I'm going to give you a creative challenge. Now this workshop is aimed at children who are in Key Stage 1 and lower Key Stage 2. Make sure you have a clear space to move in so you don't bump into anything or anyone. Are you ready? Let's go! So we're going to start today's workshop with a warm-up, getting our body ready for our movement phrase. So can you find your feet together and your hands by your side? We're going to start with moving parts of our body. Copy me and let's get moving. Here's the music. 5, 6, we're going to start with our head. Let's look to the side. And look to the side. Good. Look to the side. And look. Good. Can you go up and down? Up. And down. Good. Look to the ceiling. And to the floor. Lovely. Shrug your shoulders. Well done. Shrug your shoulders. Good. We're going to punch to the screen. We're going to punch. Punch. Can you punch to the screen like you're a superhero? Nice and controlled. Lovely. We're going to do double punch. All the way around. All the way around, lovely. So we're doing both the arms. Can you do your whole body like we're flying? Woo! Fly. Well done. Keep on going, everyone. Last one. Good. We're gonna go side and middle. Side and middle. Side and middle. Lovely. Can we add an arm? Show how strong you are. Good. Show your strength. Nice. Let's go to our legs. Step. We're just going to go step to the side, tap. Step. Lovely. Following me. If you're feeling confident, we're going to add a shield. Shield. Out. Shield. Like we're holding something in front of us, ready to go into battle. Should we do it faster? Faster. Whoa, faster. Well done, everyone. Faster. Faster. Lovely. Here we go. We're going to march. Nice. Way. We're going to march around our room. Have a little circle. Good. Other way. Nice. To end, we're going to bring our legs out to a wide position and then jump them in to a small position. Out. In. Well done. Out. Can you add the arms? In. One more time. Out. In. Good. Can you do it really fast? Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Way. Well done, everyone. We are all warmed up. So we are going to learn our superhero movement phrase now. So first of all, what is a hero? A hero is someone who's brave, someone who helps others and never ever gives up. Can you be a hero when we are learning and performing our superhero phrase? Wonderful, well done. So what we're going to do is our first movement is we're going to bring our hands like fists, like this. And we're going to shoot all the way up to the ceiling and then bring our arms all the way around and then have them on our hips like this in a superhero pose. Okay, now what we're also going to do is we're going to add a jump. like we just practiced in the warm-up. So our arms go all the way around, and we finish like this. Now this phrase of movements is on counts of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to do this move to a count of 4. Should we have a practice? Here we go. So it goes, and 2, 3, 4. Lovely, well done. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to use a part of our body. We're going to use our head. We're going to go look to the side and look to the side. Fabulous. So from the beginning, it goes, ready, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, head 1, 2, other side, 3, 4. Well done. Now what we're going to do is we are going to bring our weight onto this leg. We are going to pretend that we're running towards the action, holding our cape in both hands. Now, if you are feeling confident, we can add this into a balance. So picking that leg off the floor and looking forward really strong. Okay, if it's a little bit tricky, you can bring your legs to the floor. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go the other way. 1, 2, find that balance. 3, 4. Fabulous. I'm going to continue now, but if you need to pause and re-watch what we have just learnt, then please do so now. So let's continue. We're going to turn around. Now this time we are going to make a superhero pose. Okay, so I'm going to punch out to the screen and I'm going to bring my other arm here. Okay, if you're feeling confident, you can make your own superhero pose. Okay, if you would like to copy me, I'm punching out to the camera and I'm bringing this one up past my head like this. Lovely. Let's repeat that on the other side. So we're going to turn all the way around to face the screen and then punch out to the screen. Lovely, fantastic. I've got 2 more moves to go and then we will go back and remember our dance. We go out, strong, out, strong. We're then going to go back, strong, back, finish. Okay, and that is the whole of our superhero dance. Okay, should we have a little practice before we do it with music? Yes? Okay, so you ready? First position, we're going to fly to the ceiling. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 2, 3, we're going to head to the side, head to the side. We balance. Lovely, well done. Showing the side, showing me really strong. We're going to turn, superhero pose. Lovely. Turn. 1, 2, superhero pose. 3, 4. Wow, lovely. We're going to step. Strong, 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 and strong. Finish. Wow, well done everyone. If you need to pause the video and re-watch any of the choreography or any of the movement, then please do so. We are going to continue with performing that to some music. So, here is the music. Now, can you perform this really strong, like a brave superhero? So all your actions are really strong. Here we go. 6, 7, and 2, 3, 4. Head, balance. Balance the other side. Good, turning. 1, 2, and good, turn. And superhero, strong. strong. And return, back we go. Ah, well done. That looks awesome. So now it's time for a creative challenge. I want you to finish my superhero phrase. Now, to finish, what I'd like you to do is add a jump, add a turn, and then end with a superhero end position. Okay, so this is what we can do. When we add a jump, you can choose either a jump from our warm-up or a jump from our movement phrase, or you can do one of your own jumps. For a turn, you can choose one that we've done in the warm-up or one we did in our movement phrase, or you can choose your own turn. And then we're going to finish with a superhero position, through frozen position. How is your superhero going to finish their dance? Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to give you a little bit of time for you to choose your jump, turn and superhero end position. Wow, they look great. Now it's performance time. What we're going to do is we're going to perform the movement that we have learnt today, and then you're going to finish it off with your jump, turn and your end movement phrase. Now, before we do our performance, if you have a costume at home which you would like to put on, a superhero costume, pause the video now and we can perform our superhero movement together in costume. So we are ready to perform, okay? So remember, superheroes are really strong and really brave. Can you show us that when you are performing? So we've got the music. Let's do it together. Ready? This is ready. Going up to the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, and head. Balance. Balance. Good, well done. Turn. And turn. Strong. Back and back. Show me your jump. Show me your turn. And finish your dance with your end superhero position. Wow, that looked amazing. Well done. Now, I've got an additional performance challenge for you now. Can you take a picture of you creating your dance or a video of your dance and share it with us? Use the hashtag #TheBigMake and tag in Make. All the social media handles are on the screen now. This is also one of 15 workshops that The Big Make are doing. So if you want to get creative, check out all the other workshops. It's been wonderful dancing with you today. I'm Hannah Pickett and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!